Hi parents, this is Pooja Arora from the Passionate Teachers Group. Today I am here to discuss some important things and some important tips with you all which make the online experience for your kids more safer, right? Now, nowadays we all know that we are stuck in lockdown and kids are having the mobile phone on their own and they are been studying through those mobile phones or electronic devices, or they are been using it for their entertainment purpose, for socializing with their friends, family and all. So at this time when we are bound to give them the access of electronic devices and mobile phones, so we need to keep a security check. Also, we have to make sure that whatever they are being accessing over the internet is all safe. As a parent, we just can't be with them all the time. Obviously, we are having our own work, also our office thing, our household things, so we cannot sit with them all the time when they are online. But then yes, we can assure that we should set some settings in such a way in our electronic devices that they will become more safer for them, and they should not get any inappropriate exposure which is not good for them at this age, right? Now, keeping these things in mind, with whatever experience I have accumulated since years, and whatever things I have learned from the other people also in the same industry, I have tried to sum up all, and I have made some videos for the parental control tips, right? Like in one video I have discussed about the YouTube safety tips. Generally the kids who are below 10 years or 11 or 12 years, they generally, when you hand over mobile phone to them, so during their free time, most of the time they are on YouTube, right? Now YouTube is not only having the kids stuff, but they are having a lot of stuff which is not good for kids. Now maybe the child is not opening that stuff on its own, but during the search or exploring some other content, you never know, accidentally the child can come across to that content, and then that kind of material which he or she is being exposed to is going to keep a long life impact on that innocent mind, which we definitely, as their parents, as their mentors, we definitely don't want that to happen with our kids. Then I have also posted a video on Google Play Store settings. Now, we have to give the mobile phones or the electronic devices to our kids. We don't have any other options. But you know that there is a game called Momo Challenge, which is a suicide game, just like the Blue Whale game. It is again floating in the social media. It is coming through WhatsApp groups also. So when the kid is been sitting all alone and such kind of messages or invitation come for such games, sometimes the kids never give it a second thought, and they start indulging in such kind of activities. Now, how can we make sure that the child should not download such kind of games or should not download such kind of apps? So for that, again, I have shared some settings which will be going to give you a parental control, that without your consent, unless the child is not knowing the passcode, the child is not able to download neither any game nor any app and nor even any movie, right? So that again is a very very useful tip, and that will work with every age of child, 3, starting from age of 3 plus till 18 plus, right? So that's again a very very important tip, so I request you all to please go through it. Then beside the child safety, I have also discussed about your own safety. We all are been using our Gmail accounts, in generally on the Android phones, we connect via our Gmail accounts, our Google account. So is our Google account safe? Because we are been doing so much from the same Gmail accounts, from same Google account. So have I secured my account to a limit that my account is not being misused in some other device? So all that tips are being discussed in that video, so I request you all to please go through it. So do share your feedback with me about these videos by posting a comment in the comment section. Then now today I am going to discuss with you about your camera settings. Now we all are on some or the other social platforms. Some of us are been using Facebook, some of us are been using WhatsApp, some of us are been using even the Instagram. Now each and every social platform we are been posting pictures. So whenever we are clicking the picture and posting it on any social network, and anybody who is getting hold of those pictures can see my location from where I have clicked that picture, that moment, right? So there are the sites which help you to get to know the location of picture, exact location. So have you ever think that how dangerous it is when your child is clicking his or her selfies and sharing it with friends? Now if that pictures are floating in between only the family groups or between the friends, maybe it may not harm much, but then if any stranger get hold of that, so have you made your social media settings so strong? So that videos again I'm going to share in the coming tutorials. In the coming videos I'm going to share the Facebook safety tips, the WhatsApp safety tips, and the Instagram safety tips also. But for now, the best part is whenever you are been handing over a mobile phone to your child or even in your own mobile phones, please make your child aware, make them literate that whenever they are using the camera, the location of the camera should always be off, right? So it is very easy. Whichever mobile you are been using, just switch on the camera, go to its settings and keep the location off, because if your location is off, then whatever pictures you are clicking and you are sharing to somebody else, at least the location of your place is not being shared by somebody else. Although as a parent I always suggest to everyone to please do not share a lot of private information about your child and your family on the social media networks, and keep your social media platforms very secure and very private, right? You know, the parents are tend to and they are tempted to share so much on the social media, so I suggest not to go for that. Share the limited stuff and keep that limited stuff even private, not public, right? So today I'm not making any video for this because every mobile phone has its own settings. So the way I have already told you that you have to go to your camera and you have to switch off your location, camera location, right? Now before closing, I am going to show you two pictures in which one I have clicked with camera location on and the other with the camera location off, and then I am showing you that how it is showing the complete address in one and no address in the other one. That will give you a fair idea that how insecure it is when you are keeping the location on in any of your image or picture when you are clicking it through your mobile phone, right? Open Google Chrome, type Pic2Map. Now Pic2Map is a website which help you to find out the location of any photo. When the site will get open, I request you all to always keep the photos private whenever you are been uploading any photo, to check the location of that photo. Now select the picture or a photo. Like right now I am selecting the picture whose location is off. When I click this picture, I have kept the location off of the camera. Now you can see it is showing no GPS information was found, because when I click this picture, I have kept the location of the camera as off. Although it is showing the all the details, like with which camera I have clicked the picture and other details also, the minute details which are related to the image, but there is no address on this image or photo. Now before leaving, always delete the photo. Now I am going to show you the next picture or a photo which I have clicked with my camera location on. So I am selecting the picture with camera location on. And you can see it's uploading the image. So this time it is showing you the complete address and even the location on the Google map. Although I have hide all these details because of security reasons. And if I scroll down, it is going to show me the complete details with full location information. So now you would have understood that how dangerous it could be when I keep my camera location on at the time of clicking the images. It's a request from me to everyone who have been watching these videos. If you are finding my videos useful, if you are finding them informative, then please do like the videos, subscribe to the channel, and if possible, please put some comments on, because you know that's the only way which is going to tell me that you are liking my work, you are appreciating my work, and it will motivate me to do more research, to do more videos for you all. So thank you. This is Pooja Arora signing off for today. Bye and stay safe. Keep your kids safe.